What's going on, everybody? It's your boy SoFly Trades here, back with another video. And today I'm just here with my weekly spot watch list that I do every Sunday. Just to give you guys, an idea of what I'll be looking for this upcoming week in the stock market and, just a little bit of direction that we might go in. Okay, so let's go ahead and get this bad boy started here. So as you can see, I'm on my daily time frame on SPY, and as you can see, we've been making this sort of uptrend here. Yep, you can mark that out just like that. Boom. That's telling you we're in the uptrend already. Okay, so if I was looking for this next key level for price to get to, this is what I look for right around, this 413 area. As you can see, we have a couple touches over here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 touches. So yeah, I'll just go ahead and put my oops, wrong drawing set. But yeah, let's go ahead and mark this in right here. Yep, just like that. I'll be looking for price to come up here and touch this 412, basically 413 area. You can round up. And as I was telling you guys, in one of my previous videos, setting your key levels, support and resistance is all about discretion. Me personally, I like at least 3 touches on candles for it to be like a valid level for me. And also remember your support and resistance levels should be more like rubber bands, not a hard set level, more like rubber bands, because price can either go a little bit above or it can stall right under it type of deal. So, you just want to give yourself some breathing room. And if we were to pull back, I'd like to see price pull back. Let's say, yeah, I like to see price pull back around this key area. We have 1, 2, 3 touches. This is another good area right here. This 404.95 area. If price was to pull back to this key area, I could take call options down here at this 404 area, or I'd be looking for rejections up here at 412 because we do have a recent high up here at 418. So, and also I actually have a demand zone. Actually, let me just show you guys how I would draw a demand zone. So I could actually draw in a zone if I wanted to, a little daily zone. Boom. And as you can see, this zone literally fills in these 2 gaps from 418.31 to 412.95, as you can see. So I'd be looking for price to get up here in this key area to look for a reversal somewhere in this supply zone, or reject off 412.95 or 413, but ideally this area, because as I just said, your resistance and your support lines are more like a band. That's why I advise you guys to, do a little bit of research on supply and demand, which would be this zone I just drew in, because it's really helpful giving you confidence in your trades and holding your trades longer, when you use supply and demand along with your support and resistance lines. But yeah, that's basically what I'll be looking for next week on SPY, some kind of push up here to this key area and maybe a rejection. But if we were to pull back, ideally, I would look for price to pull back around this 404.95 or 405 area to take price back up, basically, because we've been pretty bullish, in the past, I'd say couple weeks. We've been bullish. We've been moving slow though, As you can see with these small daily candlesticks, we've had a slightly change of our trading range, and it's starting to open back up, it seems. Once we broke above this key level, it looks like we stalled right here at this resistance point, at this 404.95, this area right here. It looks like this was a big area, and we were stalling to get up there, and we finally broke through. And since we broke through it, we broke through with some momentum, as you can see here, with this increase in buying volume, which validates this daily move. So yeah, that's basically what I'll be looking for next week, is some kind of pullback maybe to this area, and to take call options from this key area, since we broke above this area of confluence with buying volume, confirming buyers are there. So I'd look for buyers to hold this level back up. And like I said, if we were to push up here to this key area up here, I look for rejections in this area, seeming as though recently, once price got up to this area, we kind of stalled around a little bit, making lower highs, eventually making a lower low, and just tanking. So yeah, that's basically what I'll be looking for on come Monday or this week. I'll be looking for some kind of setup with, if we push up to within this range or come back down to this key support level. I'll be looking for any kind of play from these levels, because I know we should get a nice move moving away from those levels, since this is a key area of confluence. But let's go ahead on this weekly time frame just to take a quick peek at the weekly. Yep. My weekly time frame is telling me the same thing. Want to push up to this key level here, and I'd like to see some kind of rejections within this level. So yeah, it's pretty straightforward this upcoming week. I just also wanted to draw these levels in so you guys can see how I would chart my levels. But I already have my levels charted out on my personal own drawing set, because I have my own drawing set. But yeah, I like to show you guys, how I find my levels. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys gained some education for this and a little bit of knowledge about the upcoming week next week. But other than that, I appreciate you guys for tuning in, and make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you next time. Peace.